The birds are chirping. The sun is shining. The warm weather is here. It's spring. But all you can think about is how messy your house is. Well, we are here today to show you how to do a total spring refresh of your home in just 90 minutes. Time's ticking, so let's get started. First, we got to set the scene. Take a few minutes to set up your surroundings in a way that will lift your mood and keep you motivated. Open all the windows and let in some fresh air and that spring breeze. Grab a coffee, a tea, an energy drink, a mimosa, whatever your favorite beverage is to keep you in a good mood. Crank up your favorite tunes or pop in a podcast or an audiobook. Just the right amount of distraction is a good thing. For audiobooks, we cannot recommend enough Matthew McConaughey's book, Green Lights. The story of his life is interesting, inspiring, funny, and at many times truly unbelievable. It will definitely keep you entertained as you work through this spring refresh. If you're more into music, we'll link some of our favorite Spotify playlists in the description box below. Now that we are caffeinated and motivated, let's do a quick declutter and tidy up of the entire house. Walk through each room with a basket or a bag and find 3 things that you can declutter or throw away. The key here is to hold yourself to just 3 items per room. What we are trying to avoid is getting lost in an organizational project that we didn't even want to start. We've all been there. It starts with one stuffed animal. You tell yourself you're just going to clean out this closet. And then all of a sudden it's 5 hours later and you're sitting amongst a mess that was worse than when you started. Do not do that. Just 3 items per room. Remember, this is a quick spring refresh, not a whole house deep clean. Now that things are tidy and cleared, it's time to wipe away the fall and winter stuffiness. Set a timer for a 10-minute clean. Now, depending on the size of your house, this could be 10 minutes for the entire home, or it could be 10 minutes per room. But hold yourself to that 10-minute mark, no matter how you're doing it. That again will keep us from diving too deep into an organizational project we don't want to start. Vacuum the rugs, wipe down the countertops, change out the sheets, unload the dishwasher. You know your home and what needs to be done for you to feel clean within it. Do what you need to do for 10 minutes and then move on. Okay, now we're feeling good. Are you feeling good? Our space is clean and decluttered, so it's time to bring that beautiful spring energy inside. Take a trip down to your local florist or bring in some clippings from your outdoor garden to build a bouquet inside, bringing those spring flowers into your home. Match the colors of Mother Nature outside with some beautiful bright colored pillows, home decor, or accents around your house. Scent plays a huge role for the new season, so swap out those gingerbread candles for something floral and fresh for the new season. For something even more fun, try putting a simmer pot on the stovetop with some fresh spring scents. Okay, enough with the inside. Spring is all about being outside, so let's get out there and make sure our outdoor spaces are ready for entertaining. Clean off your outdoor living spaces and bring out any cushions or pillows that you put away for the colder months. Refresh the flower pots, the garden beds, or maybe put out some ferns right by the front door to welcome in the new season. We did it. That's it. In just 90 minutes, our house feels completely refreshed and ready for the new spring season. Please share below in the comments some of your favorite ways to refresh your home for a new season. And don't forget to like the video before you leave. If you're new, we'd love for you to subscribe as well for more content from us in the future. We'll see you next time. Bye.